This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Hong Kong. Getting around this vibrant city is incredibly easy thanks to its world-class public transport system. You have a fantastic array of choices, from the speedy MTR subway to iconic double-decker buses, charming trams, and scenic ferries. We'll cover the essentials to help you navigate like a local, ensuring your journeys are smooth, convenient, and budget-friendly. Let's dive into the best ways to explore Hong Kong. Your absolute best friend for public transport in Hong Kong is the Octopus card. This incredibly versatile, reloadable smart card is accepted on nearly all forms of transport, from the MTR to buses and ferries. You can easily purchase one at any MTR station or convenience store for a refundable deposit of 50 Hong Kong dollars, plus an initial stored value. Topping up is simple at thousands of locations, making your daily commute seamless and often cheaper than single journey tickets. The MTR, Hong Kong subway system, is renowned for its efficiency and cleanliness, connecting nearly every corner of the city. Simply tap your Octopus card at the entry and exit gates. For a different perspective, hop on a bus. Double-decker buses provide fantastic views and cover extensive routes. Remember to tap your Octopus card once when boarding a bus. The fare is deducted automatically. Both options are incredibly reliable and run frequently throughout the day and night. Don't miss the iconic Ding Ding trams on Hong Kong Island, offering a charming and affordable ride for just 3 Hong Kong dollars. For breathtaking harbor views and island hopping, the Star Ferry and other ferry services are a must. Minibuses, both green and red, offer flexible routes, though green ones are more structured. Always check destination signs carefully. With these tips, you're all set to explore Hong Kong's incredible public transport network with confidence and ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.